respected teachers, parents, ladies and gentlemen, especially my dear friends. My name is Sakada. I am the student studying in the Camboland International School. And today, I would like to share you about one topic. It is about technology improve education. According to the Oxford Dictionary, technology means scientific knowledge used in machines and devices. Improve means to make something better. Education means the process of teaching, especially in school. I strongly believe that technology improves education for two main reasons. First, technology makes learning more interesting and easy. Videos, games, and animation make lesson fun and help students understand better. Second, technology provides more information and useful skills. Students can use internet such as computers, phone, and tablet to search topics, create projects, and practice lessons online. Technology also helps students learn important skills like typing and using digital tools. In the conclusion, technology improves education because it makes learning more interesting and easy and helps students gain knowledge and skill for the future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, good day.